Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about the EK water block for MSI RTX 30 series Supreme and Gaming Trio. So friend, EK announced its premium high performance GPU water block for the MSI Trio and Supreme edition of NVIDIA GeForce RTX 30 series graphics card. And friend, the new water block is named as EK-Quantum Vector Trio RTX 3080 or 3090 D-RGB. And friend, it engineered for MSI Trio and Supreme RTX 3080 and RTX 3090 GPUs. And friend, it is 157mm wide and 320mm long. And friend, it cools all key components on the GPU's printed circuit board. And friend, the water block is compatible with MSI Trio and Supreme RTX 3080 and 3090 graphics card. And friend, it actively cools the GPU top facing VRAM, power stages and chokes in the VRM section. And friend, the base of the water block is CNC machine out of nickel plated electrolytic copper, while the top is CNC machine either out of glass like cast acrylic or durable black POM Acetal. And friend, the second generation vector GPU water blocks also features acetal terminals. And friend, the watertight sealing is ensured by high quality EPDM O-rings. And friend, the exact release date of 3090 FE water block is still unknown, but more details will be published as soon as they are available. And friend, these water blocks and backplates are accepted to ship on December 28, 2020. And friend, now I will talk about the pricing. So friend, EK-Quantum Vector Trio RTX 3080 or 3090 D-RGB nickel plus Spec is priced at 174.90 euro. And friend, the EK-Quantum Vector Trio RTX 3080 or 3090 backplate black is priced at 42.90 euro. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.